Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to such a new good topic for our general mathematics. Nothing but none other than progressions. Yes, dear friends, if I am going to explain about this chapter, such a beautiful chapter which is useful for especially 10th class student and 11th student in CBSE level also. Dear students, in our daily life, what is progression? Yes, you see 1, 3, 5, 7. What are they? Yes, you are guessing is odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. What are they, friends? Even numbers. Yes, 10, 20, 30, 40. What are the friends? Multiples of 10. You observe these three examples. Yes, you should understand. I hope that is nothing but order. It comes in order. 1 after 3 adding with 2, 3 after 5 adding with 2, 5 after 7 adding with 2, right? Like that you have to observe it is coming in order in a particular pattern. The topic is nothing but progression. You see, in our daily life, in a childhood age, you should observe maize, nothing but mokkajonna kaiki chudandi. You have to observe in that you see that maize how it is formed. Now here down many are there, now going to like this cone shape. So it is comes to like this, here 10 are there, here 9, here 8, here 7, 6, like this it is going to decrease. It is in decreasing order. Now from top you can observe increasing order. It is one example. And honeybees also, honey, do you know honey? That is also having in order. It is increasing order or decreasing order, it can be formed it. So this is the best example of our daily life and best. Now Sankranti is coming. In that Sankranti festival, now our sisters are doing that Sankranti Muggulu Vestar. You see order. First 10 dots, next 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes. Now from bottom to top, you have to go with the decreasing order. Top to bottom, it is coming to increasing order. Then make a beautiful Sankranti Muggulu Vestar. So that is also our daily life pattern. Am I right or not? Yes, dear friends, you have to understand that is also nothing but pattern. That is also nothing but series. Now come to our applied mathematics. These situations in our daily life, that is nothing but progression. Yeah, progression is nothing but it is a pattern in advance, logically and predictable pattern. Then it is called progression. Best example 1, 3, 5, 7. 2 added by, right? 5, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2 difference is there, right? This is a way 1 by 2, 4, 8, 16 multiplied by 2 only, right? In these two cases, you have to understand any number is having particular pattern, predictable pattern. Such series is known as progressions. Progressions is nothing but study of natural number, dear friends. You should remember that. And here in this chapter, you should understand what is there in the world. Already I told you every time, concept is power. A person has a beautiful concept. That person ready to solve any kind of question in accurately, in fastly calculations. Am I right or not? In that way, this is a beautiful concept I am explaining to you today in our introduction video, dear friends. Now, I hope that you have to understand previous topics also. Very detailedly I completed and I gave a beautiful questions also, practice questions also. In that answers also, I will post next videos also. You have to see in our playlist. And in this chapter progressions, learning outcomes are there. Every chapter we have to go with the learning outcome as per CC pattern. In that, first one is definition. What is the definition of progression? I said progression is nothing but a pattern in that advances in logically and predictable pattern. It has maintained a constant pattern. Then it is called progressions. Right? Now, in that progression, how many types are there? Generally, progressions are 3 types. What are the 3 types, dear friends? Arithmetic progression. Simply we can say that A dot P. Geometric progression. Simply we can say that G dot P. And harmonic progression H dot P. These are the 3 important types are there in progression. I told you very clearly. Now, in that progressions, we are going to discuss today first part is arithmetic progression. Yes, arithmetic progression is nothing but a sequence of a numbers such that the difference of any two numbers is constant. Once again I repeat that. Arithmetic progression is nothing but sequence of a number in such that the difference of numbers should be constant. That is called arithmetic progression. And in other way, I have to tell one more definition of you. In this case, except the first term can be obtained by adding a fixed number, we should get next term. Such series is known as arithmetic progression. Simply we can say that A dot P. In that, you have to observe such examples. What are the examples, dear friends, which will be give the information to us? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you are right. 1, 1, 1 added. Yes, 1, 1, 1 is added. Here 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 3, 3 added. Yes, the difference. Yes, we should add it 1, 1, 1 only. Yes, I said the difference of two numbers. The difference of two numbers should be constant. Yes, 1 only. Now here 3 minus 6 or 3 plus 6, whatever it is. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3. Yes, the difference of 6 minus 3, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 12 minus 9, also 3. The difference of two numbers is constant. Yes, am I right or not? Right. You should observe. Here difference. 15 minus. Yes. Here minus 5. Here minus 5. So minus 5 is decreasing mode. Here 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 6. 6 is also series. But adding here 0, 0, 0. So that is the reason you have to understand the number can be obtained by adding except the first term. Except the first term, a number can be obtained by adding a fixed number or subtracting a fixed number. Then we should get a series. That is called arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. In that arithmetic progression, we have to find the first term, common difference, nth term, sum of n terms. In order, let us see, dear friends. First of all, yes, I am going to write nth term, general terms of arithmetic progression, general terms of AB. Yes, first term is usually A. If the except the first term, it can be obtained by adding a fixed number. Adding a fixed number, A plus D. That is nothing but second term. We should add one more D. A plus 2D. Next, one more D. 2D plus D, 3D, like that, 4D, we should get many terms. Alright, dear friends, this is the first term, this is the term 2, this is the term 3, this is the term 4, this is the term 5. Are the general terms of AP. We can say that A comma A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on are called general terms of AP. What about nth term of AP, dear friends? Simple. Right, AN is equals or Tn is equals, we can say that A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, this is called nth term of AP. Here A is called simple. Yes, what we can call this here? A is called, yes, dear friends, we are right. That is called first term. First term, right? Very nice. Now what about D, dear friends? D is nothing but common difference. That is nothing but adding a fixed number. That is called common difference. It is denoted by small d. First term denoted by small a. Now an is equals a plus n minus 1 into d is called to find the any term of AB very easiest manner. For suppose one student asked to me, sir, if I find the fifth term, here first term, second term, third term, fourth term is 12. What is the fifth term? Usually everybody will say 12 plus 3, 15. But I want to ask 100th term of in this series, 300. Am I right? Once you check it also. So this is the way we have to find the any terms of AP. We can use this, apply this formula. It can be written as nth term or AN, or sometimes we can say that L also. Nothing but last term. Right, friends? Now let us go with the sum of n terms in AP. Sum of n terms in AP, simple nana. You see, Sn is equals n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or if you know the first and last term clearly in the question, you can apply this formula also. N by 2 of a plus l. Sum of n terms of AP, arithmetic progression is nothing but n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Usually a is what? First term. D is what? Common difference. N is what? Number of terms. and sometimes depends on question, the first term last term will be there in the question. We have to find number of terms or whatever it is Sn. We apply this formula directly, n by 2 of a plus l. Dear friends, we have to remember one such a famous person derived this formula called Frederick Gauss. He only derived this formula. It has a one beautiful story is there. Next class I will tell this story about that how to derive this formula. When we are going to solve the exercise problem, that time I will tell that stories. Now I hope that this introduction, this concept classes is very easy to understand to you. Next class I am going to explain an exercise problem which is useful for CC pattern and exam area. Till then, practice well once you learn it and keep in your mind. Thank you. Thank you very much.